The Federal Reserve so far has been patient in raising interest rates, but that could change tomorrow as many speculate the central bank is laying the groundwork for its first hike in almost a decade. Steve Leisman surveyed some of Wall Street's top economists to see what they're expecting.
The word is just 8 letters, but there's billions of dollars around the globe riding on it. The Federal Reserve looks set to remove the word patience from its statement, a word it has used to signal that there would be no rate hike for at least 2 meetings. But 69% of respondents to the Fed survey say the U.S. Central Bank will lose patience, the word that is, and pave the way for possible rate hikes in the months ahead. When? Survey respondents dialed ahead their expectation for the Fed's first rate hike in 9 years to August of this year from September. But they see very gentle rate hikes. The Fed funds rate is forecast to be below 2% at the end of 2016 and ratchet up to only 3% at the end of 2017, both low by historical standards. But not everyone thinks the Fed will be quite so easy.
I think the Fed has been slow to act and is a little behind the curve, and as a result, they may end up moving a little faster than what the markets have priced in.
In fact, 54% of respondents to the CNBC survey think the Fed is too easy, that is, behind the curve, the first time that number has been above 50. But complicating the Fed's decision is the likelihood of declining inflation, caused by lower oil prices and a strong dollar, which lowers import prices. That could give the Fed pause from hiking rates too soon, because inflation will remain below its 2% target.
I don't think the Fed's really so much on the verge of raising rates right now. I think they want to. I don't think the data are going to accommodate it.
But the Fed is only clearing the runway for a rate takeoff by removing patience. How quickly rates take flight and how high they soar, well, that debate will begin nanoseconds after the Fed releases its statement. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Steve Leisman.